Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to my Venmo card. Let's get started. Adding funds to your Venmo card, which is your Venmo balance, is a straightforward process. You can do it directly from the Venmo app on your phone. The first thing you need to do is open the app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Me tab, which is located in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your profile. Now, you need to look for your Venmo balance on this screen. Right next to it, you should see an option that says Manage Balance or something similar. Tap on that. From the menu that appears, select Add Money. The app will now ask you to choose a funding source. If you've already linked a bank account or debit card to your Venmo, it will appear here. Select the bank account or card you want to use to transfer money from. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to do that first by going into your settings, tapping Payment Methods, and then adding your bank account or card details. After selecting your payment method, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of money you want to add to your Venmo card balance. Type in the figure, for example, $50, and then review the details. It's important to know that adding money to your balance from a linked bank account or debit card is typically free, but if you use a credit card as the funding source, then Venmo may charge a small fee. Once you confirm the amount and source, tap the button to complete the transfer. The money is usually added to your Venmo balance instantly, allowing you to use your Venmo card right away. And that's all it takes to load money onto your Venmo card directly from the app, ensuring you have funds ready for your next purchase or payment.